Good morning, traders. Today it is Wednesday, March 26th, and we're back after a tightly ranged session inside the March 9th Globex gap. A little update: after Monday's gap into the March 9th Globex zone, ES settled into balance, printing a tight range between 5,802 and 5,837. Bulls still hold control, but the market is clearly just catching its breath. ES is still holding its bullish structure, but today's durable goods and crude oil reports could rock the boat a little. Let's dive into the details and stay one step ahead of the market. As always, we start with the 10-day volume profile. Value is creeping up a little bit higher, but the POC remains glued at 5,670. Right now, we are building volume around last period's key level, 5,816. Watch this zone as the current battleground. Jumping into the weekly chart, price is sitting right at the naked POC of 5,816 once again. No surprise to see a slowdown here. ES often consolidates a little after reclaiming lost ground. Keep your eyes on the extremes of yesterday's candle for the next move. The order flow and 2-hour delta chart shows that we are still comfortably above the weekly VWAP. Sellers did show up below 5,816, yesterday's line in the sand, but didn't bring much muscle. Not a huge shift in flow just yet. And the New York session TPO tells us the same story. Textbook balance holding tight above Monday's POC 5,806. If we open below 5,816 again, I expect some choppy movements. Open above or below this value and we could be moving. On the 1-hour chart, we see something very peculiar. Strike prices are very narrow, with a high at 5,850 and a low at 5,830. Both are sitting above Globex price. This reinforces the risk of indecision and traps inside of the gap. So for a game plan, I have my line in the side at 5,830, the strike price low, which is the put wall low. And I will open my longs at these highs, 5,834, targeting 5,843, 5,859 and 5,875. Conversely, I will open short positions at 5,827, targeting 5,805, 5,791 and 5,775. Okay guys, this is classic range behavior inside a gap. Don't get cute. News before open could flip the plan entirely. Stick to your levels, wait for confirmation, and execute with discipline. That is our setup for Wednesday. If you're tired of trading blind, join the newsletter or hit the link below to grab my Sentinel playbook and learn how to make these plans work for you. Catch you all tomorrow. Like, subscribe, you know the drill. Stay sharp out there.